Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Vesta 67's workshop. Welcome to issue 100 of Build the Legendary Cyborg ROBOCOP from our good old pals over at Fanhome. Now, if you'd like to grab this for yourself and build this beautiful 1/3 scale model, head over to their website. There's a clickable link in the description below. And you too can have this on your benches, folks. Let's have a quick scoot through this week's magazine. This is the history of ROBOCOP there, arcade machines. I remember playing that. Data file there, guest stars, loads of blurbage about the background of the film. This is the hand with the connector and the back of the head. Panels that we're going to be putting in there. Finishing off that spare hand. Putting on the back plates on the back of his head. Like so, and then this is the final result. ROBOCOP is finished, folks. Yes, our journey is over, except for the fact that I'm going to be doing a modifications video coming soon, which will just tie in with the rest of what we've been up to. So keep an eye out for that, folks. Just a little bit of detailing of ROBOCOP that I kind of want to do. So keep an eye out. So that's the part work finished. That's what your ROBOCOP should look like. Then got 100 years of robots there, inanimate painters and sculptors. Cutting edge technology continued. This is the Tesla that was launched in space on the Falcon Heavy. Different technologies, sounds of the Earth. This was on Voyager, I do believe. And it was a disc with all the different sounds of the Earth. Great, as long as I got a turntable to play it, you know what I mean? Yeah. So that's the magazine done. So we'll put that to one side. When we come back, we'll do the final stages of ROBOCOP for you. What are we up to? We are putting in the two halves of the head. We are whopping his thumb together for this spare hand. And putting on the back plates to finish his head, and then that's him done. Okay. I'm going to build the spare hand, not going to bother putting it on, but if you do want to put it on, you've only got to loosen the 2 screws or the 4 screws on the back of the hand, just so that you can pop it on the wrist. But I'm going to leave the data hand on the base. Okay, so that's what we're going to be doing. Let's grab all of our bits and pieces, get that opened up and finish this ROBOCOP off. So let's grab the hand, like so. Pop 2 halves of his thumb together, like so. Let's grab you and you. Like that. Use some of that. And then that's just going to press fit in the side there. That. Have you a bit of that. And then this back plate is going to sit on the back like so. And then that will just sit on his wrist, and it gives you the option of the data hand. Okay. And then we've got the back now pieces of the head assembly. And they're just the press fit on the back of his head. Like so. You don't need to pop the helmet off, just leave that in place. And this just dresses off the back of his canister, folks. Let's bring Robo in. And we can see about popping these in. So we're going in there. And there's a little peg that we need to line up. Like so. And then do the same with the other half. Like that. And then that gets dressed off with this little piece there. Goes in two little pegs. Like so. You want it sloping that way round. And press them in. And that dresses the back of his head off, just like so. Okay? So that is now RoboCop done. So we'll put him back on his plinth. And then our next section will be the reveal so that you can see what he looks like in all his glory, folks. Okay? Now, don't forget, if you want to build this along with me, pop over to the Fanhome website. There's a clickable link in the description below. Pop, and you too can be building this 1/3 scale model. In the meantime, to help me out, if you can click little fester in the corner there and subscribe to the channel. Helps me grow the channel, keeps it alive. Ring the bell whilst you're there, select all to get upcoming notifications. Remember to thumbs up and hype the video for me, brings people in and lets them see the content. Thanks so much for coming in and keeping me company. Stay safe and well. Bye-bye for now.
Come quietly or there will be trouble.